Here's a load of things you don't need to take on a 50-mile bike ride.
What's in the bag, Tommy Roids? Tell us what's in your bag, you bastard.
I've actually brought too much. Corn picnic eggs, banana, slightly coming away there. Yeah, I was a bit ambitious really. Bike lock, the Booker Prize winner from last year. Jumper, noise cancelling headphones, that's it really. Didn't need all this stuff.
If I was to do a video of things you don't need to carry while cycling, it would be
The promise.
all that shit.
The promise is essential.